Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on understanding machine learning for the Microsoft Azure AI-900 Fundamentals certification exam. In this video, we'll dive into the core concepts of machine learning, its types, and its applications within the context of Azure. Let's start by defining what machine learning is. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It's about creating algorithms that can learn from data to make predictions or decisions. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, where the algorithm learns to predict the output based on input-output pairs. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, deals with unlabeled data, where the algorithm tries to find hidden patterns or structures in the data without explicit guidance. Reinforcement learning is a bit different, focusing on making a sequence of decisions to maximize some notion of cumulative reward. Now, let's discuss some common machine learning algorithms. In supervised learning, you have algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, support vector machines, and neural networks. These algorithms are used for tasks like regression and classification. In unsupervised learning, you'll encounter algorithms such as k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and principal component analysis (PCA). These algorithms are applied to tasks like clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. Reinforcement learning algorithms include Q-learning, deep Q networks (DQN), and policy gradients. These algorithms are used in scenarios where an agent learns to interact with an environment to achieve a goal by taking actions and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Now, let's tie these concepts back to Azure. Microsoft Azure provides a comprehensive suite of services for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. Azure Machine Learning is a fully managed cloud service that enables you to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. With Azure Machine Learning, you can access a wide range of tools and frameworks, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, to develop your machine learning solutions. You can also leverage Azure's powerful infrastructure to train your models on large datasets, quickly and efficiently. In addition to Azure Machine Learning, Azure offers other services like Azure Cognitive Services, which provide pre-built AI models for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. These services allow you to incorporate AI capabilities into your applications with minimal effort. To summarize, understanding machine learning is crucial for the Microsoft Azure AI-900 Fundamentals certification exam. Make sure to grasp the core concepts of machine learning, its types, common algorithms, and how Azure provides tools and services to support your machine learning projects. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your exam preparation. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy learning!